Hi! In front of me is Motorola Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Motorola. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select Security. Then click on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. When you're ready, select Setup at the bottom right corner and Next at the bottom right corner as well. Then remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can adjust all of those settings however you wish to by clicking on the switchers next to the chosen features, and when you're ready, select Next. Then tap on Done. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!